Hi everybody, I'm back. Wanted to do a new video for you all, and as you can see I have elevated the camera here so you don't have to look up my nose. You're welcome. Okay. I just had a very interesting phone call with a potential client, and several things came up for me, and I just could not resist pass up the opportunity to share with you all, because I'm very not upset but kind of concerned. And it's just another illustration of when I say how important it is to have a will. It's just very important to have a will. I don't even know how else to say it, but here's another illustration. So but number one, let me start with this. So the potential client called me and was very upset about a sibling who passed away, a full sibling. That means that that they share mother and father. Very upset. And so it's only been a couple of days since that sibling passed away. And so my first word to this potential client, because the potential client was breaking down, just telling me the story about what was going on, take care of yourself. It's always most important to take care of yourself. And when someone passes away, there's never a rush to do anything. You can take your time, collect yourself, collect the mail that will tell you what the assets were and what the liabilities were. You can talk with someone about, do all the investigation that you need to do regarding the assets of the estate. And then also just emotionally, if this was your only sibling that you're very close to, you can take the time to pray, meditate, talk to clergy, go on a retreat, do anything to collect yourself. Now, I understand sometimes it's therapeutic for people to just do, because when you do, you're not feeling. But you don't want to be making decisions or be doing things that, first of all, that would bring liability upon yourself, or bring be a detriment to the estate, or making unwise decisions in grief, which a lot of people have done, and which is understandable. So this is why you want to consult a professional. You want to consult an attorney not related to the situation, a financial professional, talk to someone in the bank. Those are the kinds of things that you want to do before you make any decisions. That's number one. But number two, here's the situation. So the sibling, and I'm going to change some of the facts to protect the innocent. Sibling who passed away, has no children, is not married. May have half siblings, but okay, let me just tell you this. Under Georgia law, half siblings are siblings. So if you share a mother or father with somebody, they're your sister. If me and this lady, we have the same father, but not the same mother. That's my sister. We have the same mother, but not the same father. That's your brother. It doesn't matter. Siblings of the half are treated as siblings of the whole. But whatever. So passed away, no spouse, no children. Father has passed away, but mother still living. And the potential client that I was talking to on the phone, mother is anything but a child of God. Very evil, abandoned them, abusive, all the whole nine. But it is confirmed that mother is still living. Under Georgia law, mother is the sole heir. And the sibling passed away with a sizable estate. No will. And the sibling who passed away would not have wanted mother to be getting 100% of the estate. But guess what? Under Georgia law, that's exactly what's going to happen. And what I was telling this potential client is there may be a situation where mom would say, oh, that's okay, I understand, I've been a horrible person, I'm not going to take your money. How likely do you think that? I really don't think that that's likely. So the way to get around this, the way to make sure that horrible mom, wouldn't get any of the estate is to have a will. And unfortunately, there is no will. And so that was the question to me, is how do we get around this? And the answer is it's very hard. It'd be very hard depending on the facts of the situation. What I would do as an attorney if hired to handle this situation is just call, reach out, make some entrees, see what I can do in that situation. But the law is on mom's side. So just another thing to think about. I don't care who you are, what your situation is, whether you have money, whether you don't have money, whether you love your mama and your daddy, whether you have children, whether you, I don't care who you are, what your situation is, you need to get a will and you need to get it yesterday. So if you had any questions on that, give me a call, 404-994-6218. You can also email me. You know how to get all my information. So just do the right thing. Make sure you plan, because I don't want to be Dr. Death here, but the inevitable is